YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledge. You already know my channel, SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing, and it's obviously a shoe, and it came from Finish Line. But without further ado, let's get into it. And before that, I have this thing that I ordered from ASOS or ASOS, whatever you call it. I think this came in from England. London. I already opened it up to check and make sure everything as it should be. So yeah, you know, this is a caramel. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I paid 120 for these. So it's a caramel trench coat or jacket, I would say. And I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. This is a medium. They tend to run a little bit big, so I went ahead and cut a medium. So medium is gonna be 40 to 42. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, this is it's gonna go very well, especially during this time, spring, winter transition. You know, yeah. But this is it. ASOS. If you fucks with trench coats and long jackets a lot, maybe you can check them out. This is a caramel colorway, and I've been wanting this for the longest time. Like, you know, this is very cool. I'm very glad I got this. Original price was like $290 something, but I got a very huge discount. Anyways, let's get into this. So this particular shoe came out in February 16th. I've seen a lot of YouTubers already done their videos when it came out, but I am super late. So I called the Finish Line in Aurora Mall, and I didn't even want a cup, but I thought about it and I was bored, and I was like, okay, let me go check it out. Let me call them and see if they still have some pairs over there available. And I called them, they said they have 2 size 10s available. So before I drove over there, and I live like 5 minutes away, I drove over there, got inside the store. There was left with just this one right here. So I went ahead and cupped it. They had this little tab over here, 44. I guess that is size 10. And this is gonna be the Jordan's 6 infrareds that came out in February the 16th. Yeah, so $200 with tax, everything came up to $216. Alright. Whoa, it's got that little I don't know whether it's a glue scent. It's very strong, you know. So there you go. These shoes are clean, man, like very clean. You know, I already did the video for the 2014 version, 2014 version, but these are clean, man. These are clean. It's the suede on these is buttery and fresh, you know. I don't know, but a lot of people said that they preferred the older release than these ones. I don't know why. I don't know their reasons, because of the quality and the material that is used now. But the only difference right now, I would say the color tone of the infrared is a little bit lighter in this version than the previous one, and instead of the Jumpman, we have the Nike swoosh on the 2019 release. But other than that, that's just it. Shoe tree right there, everything is the same. Okay, yeah, without further ado, I will do an on-feet action, and in the near future I'll do a comparison video between both of them, so stay tuned for that. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget, go subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Until I see you next in my other videos, peace.
There's somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, then that's what you gon' get. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. up in that. Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up and laugh. Now I'm just charming like I'm charming, now I roll up and rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. I keep some Play-Doh, call it bagels, cause it's over, you know. Finna get ugly, it's getting ugly, just retire, you got it. You niggas bug me, I'ma fire you, fly. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
We can make some guap, bitch, for you knew the rules. Ballin' out new to you. I come from the pitch, my niggas fish out some poodle dudes. Whip like some flying by, bitch, I'm like cyanide. They running out of time.